Hi Student Success Teachers. This brief video will show you how to create a pre-populated student information field in a Google form. First, go to AW and open your Google Drive. I have some fake sample data that I've worked with recently. So I'm going to open my data file and the form that I'm going to edit. Now, whether your data comes from Trillium or from the transition tool, fields that you need are last name, first name, and student number. I happen to be using Google Sheets here. You can also use Excel or any other spreadsheet format that you're familiar with. Now notice in our data set, as in many schools, there are some students with exactly the same name. The unique identifier is always going to be our 9-digit student number. So when we are copying the data to use in our Google form, it's important that we have last name, first name, and student number. So I'm going to select all of the records. I just have 30 in this sample set. What I'm showing you will work whether you have 30 records or 3,000 records. Right-click and select Copy. Now I'm going to go over to my Google form, and notice I had a text field called student name and number. This is a bit frustrating for teachers when they're entering data, and also they can inadvertently make mistakes. So instead of a text field, text question type, we're going to select choose from a list. It's going to make it nice and easy for our teachers. So place your cursor in the option 1 box, right-click and paste, and automatically all of our records appear, last name, first name, and student number. Thank you, Google. We're going to make this a required question, and I'm going to click Done. Now everything looks okay, but it's important to always view the live form and make sure that things are good before sharing a form with the people who are going to complete it. So when we click on our list, you can see all of the students, and we can search for a student. For example, Wanda Test. Instead of scrolling all the way through, as soon as I start typing the last name, the name pops up automatically. So hope you and your teachers find this helpful to have a pre-populated field in a Google form.